Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satyal here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show how to resolve all problems with your internet connection with Wi-Fi or Ethernet. The first step is go to Start menu and right click and select Device Manager. In this window, locate network adapters and click here. Select your device and right click. Select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers, the first option, one click. And if you receive a wizard or setup, select next install. In this case, the best drivers for your device already installed. Select close and select all and repeat the steps one for one or all device. And when you finish this process, close the window and restart your PC for apply to change. Login in your PC. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please press the like button and see you in the next video. Goodbye.